big boy. We're just at Stereo Installs, finishing up the Sprinter van. It's got awesome audio, video, lighting. Check it out. What's up, B-Rad? Got some new amps back here and stuff. Got a kicker amplifier. It's also a Stinger. Up front we got subwoofers under the front seat, and we've notched the factory panel to let the air breathe out. Check it out.
We gon' get tipsy. We gon' get tipsy. We don't drink up. We pop bottles. Fucking bad shit. Sex top model. All white men with Gucci loafers. Oh, she say she come 100 times looking at my poster. Now she on the sofa. And she getting closer. So I beat it down like a Jason poster. Say she fantasized about spectacular. I fucked a week ago, she still got a black back. We gon' get tipsy. We gon' get tipsy. We gon' get tipsy. We gon' get tipsy.
Oh, she be sweating me. Girl, you look even better when I'm tipsy. She say she dizzy. This a music royale track, Philippine. You gotta Philippine. Yeah.
Sounding real good.
2 seconds later.
So if you got a RV, a limo bus, need some sweet audio video, come check us out at Stereo Installs, located at 7507 Tyler Blvd in Mentor, Ohio. Call us 440-525-2001. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe. Appreciate you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.